In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply discounts on Xero effortlessly. Whether you're new to Xero or have been using it for a while, understanding how to manage discounts can significantly impact your invoicing process, making it more efficient and adaptable to your business needs. Let's dive straight into it. To start off, head over to the Xero homepage. Once you've successfully logged in, your focal point should be the business section of Xero. This area hosts a variety of options related to various business activities. Our mission today, however, is centered around managing invoices, so you'll want to click straight into the Invoices section. This section is your hub for viewing, creating, and managing all your invoices. Once you're inside, a list of your invoices will greet you. Take a moment here. Locate the specific invoice you wish to apply a discount to. You might need to scroll a bit if you have a lengthy list of invoices, but this step is crucial. Picking the correct invoice ensures accuracy in your accounting records, which is invaluable for maintaining smooth financial operations. After honing in on and selecting the desired invoice, your next step is to reveal hidden columns, a critical move for those ready to implement discounts. Look for a button or link that indicates columns are hidden. It might say something like Columns 1 Hidden, and give it a click. Once you've executed this action, the discount column should appear, and it's precisely what we're targeting. With the discount column now visible, you're ready to apply a discount to items on the invoice. The procedure is straightforward from here. Simply click on the discount field tailored to the relevant items, then input the discount value or percentage you wish to apply. One of the fantastic features of Xero is its flexibility. This allows you to adjust discounts to each item if needed, making it highly adaptable to various discounting strategies you might employ. And there you have it. Those simple steps are all you need to apply a discount to an invoice in Xero. By keeping these steps and additional tips in mind, you'll manage discounts on Xero proficiently. This ensures your invoices reflect the accurate amounts, ultimately leading to smoother financial management for your business. Remember, the essence of effective discount management lies in careful implementation and regular monitoring. With some practice, applying discounts on Xero will seamlessly integrate into your invoicing process, granting you more time to concentrate on expanding your business ventures. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to like and subscribe for more insightful guides on using Xero and other business tools effectively. See you in the next video.